What if I told you that deleting your photo from Instagram or Facebook doesn't actually delete it? That when you hit delete or archive, your content might still be sitting on servers, possibly accessible even years later. Welcome to the invisible web of social media data, where nothing is ever truly gone. In today's video, we're diving deep into what really happens when you delete or archive a photo on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. We'll explore what goes on in the backend, how databases handle your data, and whether your content is ever actually erased. So when you hit that delete or archive button, what you're actually doing is sending a request to the platform server. On the front end, your screen, it looks like the photo disappears instantly. But behind the scenes, the platform doesn't immediately erase that file from its servers. Instead, it changes the status of the content in its database, usually marking it as deleted or archived, not actually removing it. Most social media platforms use structured databases like SQL or NoSQL to manage user data. When you delete a photo, the entry in the database is often just flagged, a process called soft deletion. Most social media platforms use structured databases like SQL or NoSQL to manage user data. When you delete a photo, the entry in the database is often just flagged, a process called soft deletion. The data remains stored for potential recovery, moderation reviews, legal obligations, or just internal metrics. It's not uncommon for companies to keep backups of this data for months or even years, even after you think it's gone. Even if the database entry is removed, your image may still live in multiple places, like CDNs, content delivery networks, or cloud storage like AWS or Google Cloud. These services cache images to speed up performance. So your photo might still exist in these systems for hours, days, or longer, unless the platform actively purges it. Here's the real kicker. Depending on the platform's privacy policy, they might reserve the right to store or even use your content after deletion. Some platforms have been caught keeping deleted media for months. In 2020, Facebook admitted that deleted data had stayed on their servers long after it was supposedly removed. Even archived content is just hidden from your profile, not gone. For a photo to be truly deleted, it needs to be removed from all database entries, all backup servers, CDNs, and cloud storage copies. Most companies don't do this unless forced by regulations like the GDPR in Europe, which gives you the right to be forgotten. But even then, complete erasure is complex and often delayed. So the next time you delete or archive a photo, remember, it's gone from your view, but it might not be gone from the system. Deletion in the digital world isn't as simple as it seems. Did you know about soft deletes and back-end retention? What are your thoughts on this hidden layer of social media? Drop your comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into digital privacy. Check out our next video on how AI uses your deleted data for training. You won't want to miss it.